Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the lecture. Once again I am joining you with a new class, and in today's class we are going to cover objectives of chapter number 6. That is the role of women in Pakistan's creation and development. So are you ready for the preparation of objectives? Let's start the class now. Blank number 1. Dash was sitting silently on the last bench of her classroom. Answer is Sana. Blank number 2. Dash was sitting next to Sana and noticed confused expression on her face. Answer is Alia. Blank number 3. The group leader was. Answer is Alia. Blank number 4. A problem solving tool is called. Answer is Ideal. Blank number 5. How many students were there in Sana's group? Answer is 6. Blank number 6. Full form of ideal is. Answer is identify, define, explore, action, look back. Blank number 7. After a lot of discussion, the group had decided dash names to work on. Answer is 6. Blank number 8. The group decided to meet and perform the presentation on. Answer is Monday. Blank number 9. Sana collected information from. Answer is school library. Blank number 10. Sana collected information about. Answer is Mohatarma Fatima Jinnah. Blank number 11. Ahmed collected information from. Answer is smartphone. Blank number 12. Ahmed collected information about. Answer is Professor Anita Ghulam Ali. Blank number 13. Alia collected information from. Answer is magazines. Blank number 14. Alia collected information about. Answer is Bilkis Bano Idi. Blank number 15. Samir collected information from. Answer is laptop. Blank number 16. Samir collected information about. Answer is Begum Rana Liaquat. Blank number 17. Razia collected information from. Answer is newspaper. Blank number 18. Razia collected information about. Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. Blank number 19. The information had mostly been gathered through the various dash resources. Answer is media resources. Blank number 20. Miss Fatima Jinnah was born in. Answer is 1893. Blank number 21. Miss Fatima Jinnah died in. Answer is 1969. Blank number 22. Begum Rana Liaquat was born in 1905. Blank number 23. Begum Rana Liaquat died in? Answer is 1990. Blank number 24. Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz was born in? Answer is 1896. Blank number 25. Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz was died in? Answer is 1979. Blank number 26. Professor Anita Ghulam Ali was born in? Answer is 1934. Blank number 27. Professor Anita Ghulam Ali died in? Answer is 2014. Blank number 28. Bilkis Bano Idi was born in? Answer is 1947. Blank number 29. Bilkis Bano Idi died in? Answer is 2022. Blank number 30. Miss Fatima was a dash by profession? Answer is dentist. Blank number 31. Miss Fatima Jinnah participated for dash years in the struggle of Pakistan? Answer is 28 years. Blank number 32. Miss Fatima Jinnah's last dash years were very tough and tiring. Answer is 19. Blank number 33. Miss Fatima Jinnah has been given the title of by the nation? Answer is Madre Millat. Blank number 34. Madre Millat means? Answer is Mother of the Nation. Blank number 35. Begum Rana Liaquat worked as an honorary secretary and dash to her husband? Answer is typist. Blank number 36. Begum Rana Liaquat arranged meetings with the wife and daughter of the? Answer is Viceroy. Blank number 37. Begum Rana Liaquat organized the Muslim Voluntary Service and? Answer is Women's National Guards. Blank number 38. Women National Guards consist of? Answer is 3 battalions. Blank number 39. Begum Rana Liaquat was the founder of? Answer is All Pakistan Women Association, APWA. Blank number 40. Dash represented Muslim women at the 3 Round Table Conference held in London's Guildhall? Answer is Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. Blank number 41. Professor Anita Ghulam Ali was a popular newscaster of Dash News? Answer is English News. Blank number 42. Anita Ghulam Ali served twice as a? Answer is Sindh Minister of Education. Blank number 43. Anita Ghulam Ali was awarded by the government of Pakistan? Answer is Pride of Performance and Sitare Imtiaz. Blank number 44. Bilkis Bano Idi was a trained professional? Answer is nurse. Blank number 45. Bilkis Bano Idi was awarded by the government of Pakistan? Answer is Hilale Imtiaz. Blank number 46. Bilqis Bano Idi has given the title of by the people of Pakistan. Answer is Mother of Pakistan. Blank number 47. Who showed wish from the class to become like Anita Ghulam Ali? Answer is Maryam. Blank number 48. Who showed the wish from the class to become like Bilqis Bano Idi? Answer is Hira. Blank number 49. Who showed the wish from the class to become like Abdul Sattar Idi? Answer is Daniel. This is all about from the chapter the role of women. I hope that you will find this lecture very informative for you people. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Best of luck. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.